Hello everyone, my name is Jamil and today I'm here to create a demo video on a very interesting topic, trigonometry. Okay, so let's start our topic. So first of all, we will discuss about some basics of the trigonometry. So we are beginning our topic from the introduction of trigonometry. Okay, introduction of trigonometry. This is about trigonometry. Trigonometry. Okay. If we are discussing about the trigonometry, so we should know about the meaning of the trigonometry. So we have decided the word of trigonometry in two parts. One is trigono and another is metry. Okay, the meaning of the trigono in a Greek language is triangle. Triangles, and the meaning of the metry in a Greek language is measurement. So we can say that in the trigonometry we will discuss about the triangles and the measurement of the triangles. Okay, there are many types of the triangles. Okay, right angle triangle and isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle, but in the trigonometry we will discuss only right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. It is right angle at vertex B. Okay, and this is the base line which make the 90 from the base is perpendicular, and line joining of perpendicular and the base is known as hypotenuse. Okay, so this is a perpendicular which make the 90 from the base. Okay, and this is a base and this is a hypotenuse. Okay, so there are three terms mostly used in trigonometry. Okay, why these three terms we can discuss about the trigonometric ratio. Okay, trigonometric ratio. In trigonometry, there are 6 type of function in trigonometry. One is this was the right angle. This angle is theta, and this is perpendicular, and this is base, and this is hypotenuse. Okay, this angle theta cover most of the part of the trigonometry. So let's assume sin theta. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Similarly, cos theta. Trigonometric ratio. Ratio means sin theta is the ratio of perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and cos theta is the ratio of base upon hypotenuse. Okay, and next is tan theta. Tan theta is the ratio of perpendicular upon base. Okay, and the reciprocal of sin theta is known as cosec theta. So it will also reciprocal. It will be hypotenuse upon perpendicular, and reciprocal of cos theta is known as sec theta. It will be hypotenuse upon base because it is the reciprocal of cos theta, and the reciprocal of tan theta is known as cot theta. It will be equal to the base upon perpendicular. Okay, this is the trigonometric ratio. But what is the practical use in our general life of trigonometric ratio? Okay, so let's start the application of the trigonometry. Okay, my name is Jamil. So how can I use the trigonometry in a general life? I'm here, and my name is Jamil, and this is a tree. Okay, and we want to measure the height of the tree. So there are only two ways by which we can find the height of this tree. Okay, one is to approximate guess of this tree, and another is we can use this height by using the trigonometry. Okay, how can I find by using the trigonometry? Let's we will measure this length, because we know that horizontally length we can find easily in compared to the vertical length. So it will be, suppose that it is x. Okay, and it is a line joining between perpendicular and base. It will be 90. Okay, we want to find this height. We know that whose trigonometric function deal with perpendicular and base. So tan theta, we will apply the tan theta. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular, means height upon base is x. Okay, so we will put this value, and we will take approximate angle theta, and we will put the value of theta in tan theta, and we can find the value of h. Height will be equal to x time of tan theta. Okay, this is okay. By this formula we can find the height of the mountain, height of the tree, and any others. Okay, thank you.